What is coding? Coding is the primary method for communicating with a computer. It is using a language to give a computer instructions in order to perform specific functions. Learning to code has many benefits for children and adults. Not only will learning to code prepare you for a career in computer science, coding can teach students skills that are important in every field. Here are 10 benefits of learning to code for students that go beyond the computer. 1. Computer programming promotes logical thinking. Coding requires logical thinking and teaches children how to tackle complex problems by breaking them down into smaller problems, which are easier to manage and solve. 2. Learning to code helps a student's creativity. Coding allows students to be creators. After all, coding is all about creating something new. How cool would it be to be able to design your own app or video game? With code, kids can create projects that they love. 3. When students learn to code, they develop persistence. Coding teaches children persistence, that in order to solve the problem they have, they must keep going, coming up with different solutions until they have the right one. 4. Coding helps to develop resilience. A great benefit of learning to code is that children learn to build resilience through troubleshooting. When they hit a wall, they need to find a solution. If the first solution doesn't work, they try another one. 5. Learning to code can improve a child's communication skills. When we learn a new language, we become better communicators. Why? We need to know how to break things down to speak simply. This is the same with coding. Computers only understand instructions when they are written in a simple, easy-to-follow language that the computer understands. Coding helps to develop that skill. 6. Children improve their structural thinking when learning to code. When students learn to code, they develop structural thinking. They learn how to build something large from lots of other smaller pieces put together. This helps kids to see the big picture when they are given any task made up of small parts. 7. Coding helps children with problem solving. Through coding, children learn to analyze problems and come up with a way to solve any challenges they come across. 8. Coding improves students' math skills. Math skills are necessary when learning to code. As students learn to code, they will pick up the skills needed to solve math problems along the way. 9. Coding gives students satisfaction. Solving a problem is a satisfying feeling. When children learn to code and see results, it helps them to become more determined to see more. 10. Coding helps kids learn to learn. With coding, children are able to experiment and learn themselves. Experimenting with code allows children to understand that sometimes the answers are not always simple, and sometimes there is more than one answer to a particular problem. Want to teach your kids coding?